Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to delete all your Instagram posts at once, using the new update on the Instagram app for PC. If you've been struggling to remove old photos and videos one by one, this will save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. From there, click on More. When the drop-down menu appears, select your activity. This is the section where Instagram now lets you manage everything you've shared on your account. Next, head to the section labeled Photos and Videos. Under this menu, choose Posts. This is where you'll find every picture and video you've uploaded to your Instagram profile. At the top of this page, you'll notice a button called Select. Click on it, and you'll now be able to choose multiple posts at once. If you want to remove everything, just select all your posts. If you only want to delete some, you can handpick which ones to remove. Once you've made your selection, look for the Delete button. Click it, and Instagram will prompt you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm, and within a few moments, all the posts you chose will disappear from your profile. This new update is designed to make account cleanup much faster and easier. Instead of wasting hours deleting posts one by one, you can now manage your content in bulk with just a few clicks. It's especially helpful for anyone refreshing their profile, managing a business account, or simply wanting a clean start. And that's it. You've just learned how to delete all of your Instagram posts at once using the updated features on the PC app.